The common green magpie, as the beauty icon of the family Corvidae, is famed for its vibrant grass-green feathers, striking black eye stripe, and bright red bill and feet. Known for its secretive nature, it is often heard but seldom seen, living in small family groups nestled among the tall trees of dense forests. In captivity or zoos, the plumage of the common green magpie often changes from green to blue, and blue individuals can occasionally be spotted in the wild as well. In ancient China, this bird was cherished for its dazzling feathers and melodious calls that symbolize peace and happiness.